Hello and welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra. In today's video, we are again going to talk about syllogism and we'll learn how to represent the four propositions of syllogism using Venn diagram. तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम सीखने वाले हैं किस तरीके से हम propositions को Venn diagrams के हेल्प से इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं और फिर हम उसका कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Let's have a look at the first proposition now. First proposition को हम कहते हैं proposition A. It is known as proposition A and the proposition says all A are B. So that means all the A, they are a part of B. So how do we represent it using a Venn diagram? तो अगर हम एक circle बनाएं and if we say that this circle is B, if this circle is B, then all the A, they are a part of B. So A will be inside B. So this is going to be A. So this shows that all A are B. So this is the first proposition known as proposition A. In the second proposition, that is proposition E, it says no A are B. अगर हमने इसको represent करना है using Venn diagram, तो कोई भी A B नहीं है, यानी दोनों absolutely अलग अलग हैं. So if this is A, this is going to be B. So both are separate and many times we draw a line and we put a cross on it representing that A are not B. तो A अलग है, B अलग है, दोनों का आपस में कोई भी रिलेशन नहीं है, इसीलिए हमने लाइन लगाकर बीच में क्रॉस लगा दिया है यहाँ पर. The third proposition, which is known as proposition I, says some A are B. That means कुछ A हैं जो B हैं. इसको हम दो तरह से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, दो भी नहीं बल्कि तीन तरीके से हम इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. It can be represented in three different ways. The first Venn diagram that can be drawn over here is that some A are B. So if this is A and this is B, this common part, it represents some A which are also B. तो ये जो shaded part है ये बता रहा है कि कुछ A और B जो है वो similar है या same है. Then this can also be interpreted as some A are not B. मतलब कुछ A ऐसे हैं जो B नहीं है. Some A are not B. So if it is given like some A are not B, then also we can draw it like this. And if it is given some A are B, then also we can draw it like this. Another way which can be represented here is like some A are B. So if this is A and this is B, then it can be interpreted as all A are B. तो ये डिफरेंस क्लियर हो गया. यहाँ पर अगर हमें ऑल ए आर बी बनाना है तो हम ये वाला वेन डायग्राम के साथ जाएंगे, और अगर हमें सम ए आर नॉट बी बनाना है देन विल गो विद दिस वन, और इवन इफ वी वांट टू ड्रॉ लाइक सम ए आर बी then we can go with this one. So this is how we represent proposition I. There's another way using which it can be done. We place B in the center and A on the outside. In this case also it can be said that some A are not B. कुछ A तो है वो B है, जो बीच वाला circle है that represents some A which are B, but the outer part, यहाँ पे मैं dots लगा रही हूँ, this part represents those A which are not B. So these are three different representations using which proposition I can be drawn using Venn diagrams. Let us have a look at the last proposition, that is proposition O. This says some A are not B. Again ये हमने अभी पहले भी डिस्कस किया कि some A are not B को हम ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो बीच वाला पार्ट है, this is the common part. If this is A and this is B, so this shaded part, this represents those A which are B. अब इसके अलावा जो A हैं, जो बाहर वाले पार्ट में जहां मैं डॉट्स लगा देती हूँ with a different color, let me pick up a different color here. तो ये वाला जो पार्ट है, this part, this represents those A which are not B. So it can be drawn like this, or there's another way. It can be drawn like this. If this inner circle represents B and the outer circle represents A, in this case, what does it mean? कि जो बाहर वाले ए हैं वो बी नहीं है। तो ये जो मैं ब्लू से डॉट्स लगा रही हूँ ये वो वाले ए हैं जो बी नहीं है। सो सम ए आर नॉट बी. दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज टू रिप्रेजेंट इट यूजिंग अ वेन डायग्राम. एंड another way which can be used here is that अगर हम a और b को बिल्कुल ही सेपरेट बना दें, if this is a and this is b and they are not related to each other in any way, in this case also a are not b. So this can be one of the representations. So these are three different ways in which we can represent proposition O. So I hope this concept will prove useful to you when you will be solving questions on syllogism. अगर आपको ये वीडियो फायदेमंद लगा, इससे आपका कुछ भी बेनिफिट हुआ, तो लाइक बटन जरूर क्लिक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए चैनल को. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications for upcoming videos और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ इसको जरूर शेयर कीजिए. Thanks for watching me and I'll be back shortly with another important concept on syllogism.